Well, Joseph Kotrie-Monson is the director of Mary Monson Solicitors, which has offices in Manchester. He believes many of his clients may have been affected by the alleged manipulation.
We've conducted a preliminary scour of all cases within the relevant period, and we've identified 6 cases immediately on the first scour that give us cause for concern. 2 of those which we're particularly concerned about. And my colleague Kelly Dent has identified one case in which it appears that the principal evidence was the Randox report. And of course, you don't have time in the magistrates' court to get these reports analysed because you're losing credit for your guilty plea if you don't put it in early. And on legal aid, it's difficult to get your own report done anyway. So the client was in a position where they pleaded guilty, perhaps pragmatically. We haven't gone into all the details and it's early days, but that looks like a very worrying case. There's another case that gives us further serious concern where the consequences in that case of the conviction for the drug driving offence and therefore of the more serious offence that was attached to it may have had an impact, not just in the criminal courts, not just in terms of a criminal conviction, but actually in other family court proceedings affecting children and access to parents. That is so serious and predictable a consequence of what we hope is a mess up, but maybe something much more sinister as this.